Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Lexus IS250 headliner. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal kit and a T20 Torx bit. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting. Then, carefully begin removing all the interior trim pieces that surround the headliner. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth removal process. Next, you'll need to detach several overhead components. Start by unscrewing both sun visors and their corresponding clips. Then, carefully disconnect the wiring harnesses for the overhead console and the dome light. Finally, remove all the grab handles and coat hooks. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging any plastic or electrical connections. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: after all that work in your car, you might want to freshen it up. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With all the surrounding components removed, you can now begin to free the headliner itself. Gently pull down the edges of the headliner from the roof, ensuring all clips and fasteners are fully disengaged. Once it's completely loose, carefully maneuver the headliner out of the car. Often, the easiest way is through one of the front or rear door openings. When you're ready to reinstall, a few tips will help. First, clean the roof surface thoroughly before putting in your new or repaired headliner. As you reattach electrical components, test them to ensure they work correctly before fully securing everything. Finally, reinstall all the trim pieces in the reverse order of removal, making sure each piece fits snugly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.